The annual More Than 4 challenge of the Diecast and mods community is all about restoring or refreshing any vehicle that has, you guessed it, more than 4 wheels. I think this 8-wheel Foden truck by Lesney fits the profile. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Lesney introduced the Foden tipper truck in 1964 as a small-scale sibling of the king-size K1 Hoveringham tipper of the same year. In its 4-year run, the truck was only issued in dark red with an orange container with the Hoveringham lettering. In 1968, the Hoveringham tipper was replaced by the horse box, and 1 year later the king-size version was also discontinued. The model is based on the 1962 Foden S21 truck, which was a successor to the S20. The very beautiful and curvy design was a long stretch from what trucks looked like in the days. It was possible thanks to the invention of gloss-reinforced plastic, also known as fiberglass. This not only made it possible to cast very intricate molds, but was also a lot lighter than traditional steel. This lightweight design allowed the S21 to be the first UK-designed tilting cab truck. The space-age design of the cab quickly resulted in nicknames like Spaceship and Sputnik, and even Mickey Mouse. Our truck has seen better days. The paint is flaking, the axles are rusty and the front axle is severely bent. The Hoveringham decals are gone and the container is missing its door. So let's go to tools and give this model a factory reset. For the more than 4 challenge of the diecast and mods community on Facebook, I chose this Lesney Matchbox 8-wheel tipper truck, which was a small sibling of the king-size K1 tipper truck. It's as play-worn as they get, with flaking paint, bent axles, a bent container and a missing container door. And here we are after the restoration. The ruby red is almost spot on. The orange is a little lighter but closer to the orange of the real-life Hoveringham truck. I gave it a new front axle which I had to cut and a new container door. I designed the decals myself. The tricky part here was to search for the right font. And maybe the detailing could have done with another coat, as the Tamiya chrome silver doesn't really take well on the gloss paint finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian diecast restorations.